All right, we're going to take a spin in a 1971 Triumph Tr6, a British car.
Yes, very British.
We're terrible.
Hey, look how sunny it is out here.
Oh yeah, you can't do this in England. Well, sometimes.
Yeah, I guess you could.
Cold and cloudy, but anyhow, this little 71 Tr6 is a California car since new. Still got the original blue license plates on there. Pretty stock. I mean, the engine's been rebuilt, which is expensive to do on these things. So that's all been done. Drives nice, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it does. You know, it drives really good. I've driven a lot of them Triumphs when I was a kid.
Oh yeah. It's got a new clutch, and it's got the steel wheels.
Upgraded stereo.
Upgraded AM, FM, CD with Bluetooths.
Yep.
Got the Talbot mirrors. Those are pretty cool too. Factory tack, factory options here, factory gas gauge. Pretty simple. They sell a lot of parts for these cars too.
Oh yeah.
You can get everything through Moss Motors or here in Southern Cal.
Yep.
And it's nice to be able to do that.
Whoops, watch out.
You can go up to the silver car. Go for it. Go! Rocket, rocket! Right lane. All right.
Lots of traffic out here today.
Yeah, it's going home time for some people. Paint finish is nice on this car. Nice white paint, newer top, new carpeting, black vinyl interior. These things got four-wheel disc brakes on them too, don't they?
Yeah.
Pretty sure. This stops and steers nice.
Yeah, it does. No, it's a pretty good car. You got to think it's 1971 technology.
Yep.
And it's pretty good.
Whee! Bouncy there.
Yeah, that's that race suspension it has on there.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna pull up here and take some pictures of this bad boy.
Oh yeah. Hey, check out this 71 Triumph Tr6. Really nice car. Been in California for a long time. No rust on her. There's blue plate there. It's got a 2.5 liter straight six, 4-speed transmission. It's got factory overdrive. So those are pretty nice little options to have. Got the little steelies on here with the trim rings. Got your little wire mesh over there on the for the headlights. It's a pretty neat car, you know. It drives well, starts up pretty good, and just, you know, take you down by the beach or anywhere else you'd like to go. And there's the interior here. Wood's in pretty good shape. Got your gauge package, of course. It's got a little modern stereo in there. It's even got Bluetooth, so that's good. I mean, you know, people need that kind of stuff now. Seats are in great shape. Just your basic white car too. But really nice, fun, good investment car. You know, these things are getting harder to find, and you know, they're a lot of fun to drive too. I've driven it when I was younger, and this one drives pretty good. All right, here's the power plant here. Your 2.5 liter. It was rebuilt, and you know, straight six, pretty good shape. You got Strombergs over there. You got a pair of those. Pretty simple car. You know, these cars have always been simple. It's been about the driving experience. You know, not a lot of air conditioning, a bunch of extras. He's got power brakes, which is good. You need those, definitely. And we're gonna fire this thing up and let you take a listen. Yeah, nice and quiet. Let me go around here. Yeah, look at that. You got that custom air filter thing going on. Pretty nice. Let me walk to the back, you can take a listen. All right, there you go. Man, British motor cars, man. I mean, they're all pretty cool. This one's a nice looking one. Like I said, they're harder to find, and this one's in great shape. And you got this one down here at California Cars. We're located in Simi Valley, 818-591-1313. You can speak to me, Gary, or Rich, sitting over there in the car, and we'd be more than happy to show you this car. We're gonna have a couple of what do you call, photos of the top up on it, so you can see that on our website.